Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the ambience volume in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here select the Audio tab. Look for Ambience Volume. This gauge adjusts the volume level of game's ambient sounds. This impacts things like birds chirping, non-specific animal noises, distant cars, etc. You can of course set it on this gauge to any value between 0 and 100%, with 0 being muted, 100 being as high as it goes. I'll set to 50. Once you are done here, you can close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.